Welcome to our channel.
I'm Lana.
I'm Amanda.
I'm Kiara.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we're going to listen to a funny song and see who laughs first.
If you enjoy what you see, leave a comment below with a suggestion for a song. Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you.
To my surprise, a little Nash Rambler was following me about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me out as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shake. But the little Nash Rambler stayed right behind. He still had on his brake. He must have thought his car had more guts as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off with gust. Soon we were doing 90, must have left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror of my car, I couldn't believe my eyes. The little Nash Rambler was right behind. I think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110. This certainly was a race. For a Rambler to pass a caddy would be a big disgrace. The guy must have wanted to pass me out. He's got done tooting his horn. I'll show him that a Cadillac is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 120 as fast as I could go. The Rambler pulled alongside of me as if we're going slow. The fella rolled out his window and yelled for me to hear, "Hey buddy, how can I get this car out of second gear?"
What did you guys think of that song?
It was pretty good.
What did you like best?
The bee.
You like how fast it is? You like those songs that you can tap your foot to, huh?
Yeah, I like the one that went really fast.
That's awesome.
That's a pretty funny song. That was really enjoyable. If you liked it and want to enjoy it with us, go ahead and like and subscribe, share,
Come hang out with us.
Yeah.
and have
Yeah.
a great time. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.